Welcome to this self-love meditation. Today, we will create a space to connect deeply with the essence of your being. Cultivate self-compassion and awaken the love within you. Self-love, it's not just an idea. It's a practice, a connection to your worth, and a gift to yourself. Through visualization, intention, and breath, we'll nurture your heart, release resistance, and expand the love that is already present within you. This time is sacred. Let's begin. First, find a comfortable position, either sitting or laying down. Close your eyes if that feels right, and take a moment to settle into stillness. We'll start with a deep inhale through your nose, filling your lungs completely, and a long exhale through your mouth, releasing any tension. Take another deep inhale, holding it gently, and let it go slowly. With each breath, allow yourself to soften and sink deeper into relaxation. Now, bring your awareness to the crown of your head. Imagine a warm golden light gently descending over you, filling the space around your body. This light represents the energy of self-love, safe, supportive, and infinite. Let this light wash over you as you breathe naturally. Picture roots growing from your feet or the base of your spine, anchoring you deeply into the earth. With each inhale, draw in stability and grounding from the earth. With each exhale, release any heaviness, tension, or energy that no longer serves you. Feel yourself becoming fully present, rooted, and safe in this sacred space. Now, bring your attention to your heart space, the very center of your chest. Visualize a sphere of soft, warm light glowing. This light represents the love within you, a love that is eternal, infinite, and uniquely yours. Begin to breathe gently, inhaling into the sphere of light in your chest. As you inhale, imagine the sphere expanding in all directions, forward, backward, upward, and downward. Feel it grow outward, enveloping your chest and filling your entire body. With each slow, steady exhale, let this love penetrate every cell of your being, your muscles, bones, blood, and energy system. Allow it to fill you completely, overflowing with warmth and light. And silently affirm to yourself, I am worthy of love. Love flows freely within me. I embrace myself fully just as I am. Now, deepen your breath And imagine the sphere of light expanding even further. Picture it growing in the 8 directions, forward, backward, to each side, upward and downward, until it fills the space around you. Feel the love within you connecting with the infinite energy of love in the universe. With each inhale, draw this universal love, allowing it to merge with your heart. With each exhale, send this love into the world. Let this rhythm flow naturally as you silently repeat, safety, safety, safety. Softness, softness, softness. Allow your heart to rest and surrender into the safety and softness of this present moment. Now, visualize a beautiful table within your heart. Around this table, invite every part of yourself to gather. The joyful you, the angry you, the fearful you, the child within, the version of you that feels lost, and the version of you that feels strong. See these parts of you sitting together, each one a vital piece of your story. Imagine offering them a warm, loving embrace. As you breathe, silently affirm, I welcome all parts of myself with compassion. I am whole, just as I am. Notice if any resistance arises. If it does, hold it gently, letting the light of love within you soften and surround it. Now, bring your attention back to the sphere of light within your chest. From this place of love and connection, ask yourself, what do I need to feel deeply loved and cared for by myself? How can I show kindness and compassion to myself today? Allow the answers to rise naturally, whether they come as words, feelings, or images. Trust whatever emerges. Now, visualize yourself taking one loving action for yourself. Perhaps resting, speaking kindly to yourself, or pursuing something that brings you joy. See it vividly, feeling the ease and comfort of this loving act. And silently affirm, I honor my needs and care for myself with love. I trust my inner wisdom to guide me. Take a deep breath, placing your hands gently over your heart. Feel the warmth and the love you've cultivated anchoring deeply within you. Silently thank yourself for showing up, for embracing this sacred time of self-love, and for opening your heart to your own light. Begin to bring your awareness back to your body. Wiggle your fingers and your toes, feeling the surface beneath you. When you feel ready, slowly open your eyes, taking in your surroundings with a renewed sense of peace and clarity. As you move through your day, carry this affirmation with you. I am worthy of my love and care. Love flows freely within me and radiates into the world. From this space of expansion and openness, explore the self-love guide to help you foster more self-love in your life. Use the guide to deepen your self-love practices. Self-love is the foundation of all love. From this space, your heart will continue to expand, touching every part of your life and the life of those around you.